Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the easy version of how to make a spaghetti sandwich for the kids lunch box or even for the adult lunch box at your home. So let's start the recipe. So for this recipe, what you need, here I put the spaghetti in the boiling water and I'm going to cook this one until it becomes fully soft. So in the meanwhile, we will make a sauce for the spaghetti. So take a pan, add some olive oil. So here I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can use any oil. And into this, I am going to add some vegetables. So here I am using the mixed vegetable which we get it in the shop very easily. So they have carrot, some peas and corn, and you can add any vegetable up to your choice like capsicum, beans. So yeah, so I'm going to cook this one, and in the meanwhile I'm going to check my spaghetti whether it's perfectly cooked or not. So it will take another 2 to 3 minutes. So in these veggies, I added some salt as per taste. How much salt you want in your spaghetti, and we have to mix this one. So in the last, I'm going to put some Indian touch in the sandwich, guys. So my the spaghetti is perfectly cooked. What I'm going to do, I'm going to strain this water. So into this veggies, I'm going to add this pasta sauce. So here I added some pasta sauce and they started becoming thick. Into this, I'm going to add some oregano. It gives a nice flavor in the spaghetti. And I'm going to mix. And it's time to add the cooked spaghetti into this. So I added the cooked spaghetti and I'm going to toss this one with all the veggies and the sauce. So here guys, can you see how it nicely cooked with the veggies, and see how it come out separately. So it has to be like this. And in the last, I'm going to add some olive oil. So my spaghetti is ready, guys, and I'm going to make sandwich. So for the sandwich, here I took 4 slices of white bread. You can use the wheat bread also. Into this, I'm going to apply this vegan mayonnaise because we won't eat egg. So there is no egg in this mayonnaise. If you want to use the egg one, you can use the egg one also. And I'm going to apply this one into this bread. So here I applied that mayonnaise, and I'm going to keep the sliced cheese into this bread, and I'm going to add the spaghetti. So here I added the spaghetti. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this one with the another bread. And I'm going to toast this one in the tawa. So take a tawa, add some oil. Into this, I'm going to add some mustard seeds. So it gives the Indian touch in the sandwich. So I added some mustard leaves, some neem powder and some curry leaves, and can you see the sandwich is perfectly cooked and started becoming light brown in color. So instead of oil, you can use ghee or you can use any butter also. So yeah, and this is done. Hey guys, I will show you how it looks inside. Very tasty sandwich. And you can have this sandwich with any green chutney or tomato ketchup. So yeah, so this is a quick video of how to make a spaghetti sandwich at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.